Monday, and it's time to talk technology. Our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us once again. Good day, Luis.
Mark, how are you?
Doing really well. So we have a great story to talk about today, and it's how Apple is finally relenting, and they are going to allow end users, customers like you and me, or small independent shops, have the tools needed to repair iPhones. And this is a real about face for Apple, because for the longest time, they just wouldn't allow anybody but the Apple Store to work on your phone. And I remember a couple of years ago, Louis, I needed a new battery for my iPhone. They quoted me a 3-week waiting time. And I'm thinking, what am I going to do without the phone for 3 weeks? And then I found an independent repair shop in Monterey, and the guy said, bring it down here and you'll get your phone back in 30 minutes. And that's what I ended up doing. But that's what people want. They want that kind of utility and ease to repair their iPhones.
Yeah, we're a do-it-yourself society. We like to take care of our cars, our boats, our house. Many of us during the pandemic spent a lot of time at Lowe's and to Home Depot buying a bunch of stuff to work on our house. And our phones are no different. And I think Apple and other companies, Samsung has done the same thing, and a few others are starting to see the writing on the wall that they don't voluntarily allow users to repair their devices. They're going to find themselves under government scrutiny and be forced to do something they may not want to do. So they're just trying to stay ahead of the game. And I think this is good for consumers.
Right. And they are actually going to sell a bunch of components. For example, iPhone screws, cameras, batteries, displays, SIM card trays, and more. And apparently the components for sale are specific at this time only to the iPhone 12, the iPhone 13, and the third generation iPhone SE. But that's a start.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And you can go up to if you want to get there, you can just go to the Apple Store online, and then you'll be able to buy all those components and mess with your phone rather than taking it into the Apple Store.
Right. And later on, they're going to expand this program to Mac computers. So probably in the next year or so, you'll be able to buy parts to repair those as well. Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, has been our guest online. You find them at alvareztg.com, at AlvarezTG. That is the Twitter handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.